Welcome to this new video, guys, with Express. Today let's talk a little bit more about the GoDaddy Airo AI. So nowadays we don't build websites anymore. We describe them now, so the AI manifests them. So GoDaddy Airo is the first tool that connects your domain name to an actual logo and actually runs it really great so far. So to focus, for example, into the AI domain search, all that means to generate your actual website, first of all, you need to have an actual domain in order to have access directly inside, and now you can work directly inside that. So to get started, usually what I do is to go directly from GoDaddy. To make this a little bit more specific, let's go for GoDaddy domain. So directly here, I click directly into the GoDaddy domains. So it starts with the actual prompt. So you don't want to just search for a name, you want to describe the element that you're actually aiming for. So if I click directly here into Airo AI build-up, I click directly inside here. So here you just search for an actual name. For example, describe the business. Let's say, for example, we're going to start with something really easy, which is an organic dog treat bakery in Mexico City, something like that. Really easy, super simple, and really fast. So basically what's going to happen here is that with this information here, you need, of course, to enter the right information in order to have now access to all of the tools. If you don't have an actual account here directly here into GoDaddy, you don't have to worry about that. You can create one totally for free with a Gmail account, with a, I believe, a Facebook account, or just by using your actual email. Now that you have access directly inside here, basically the Airo beta mode is going to be taking your prompt. The more specific, chances that the results are more likely for you. So basically, once you select the actual domain that you currently like, you can generate that element. But in this case, for example, we have the actual Airo beta that's going to be helping me with an actual application, not only an actual website. So it says, what's your dog treat bakery called? So let's say that I look out for this one and this one as well. Number 2, and there we go. So the application will be asking you for a few questions depending on what you're actually aiming for, and what you need to do is just to answer all of them in order to the application to understand what you're actually trying to aim for. So I select, for example, all of my actual questions and just wait till the actual GoDaddy works and do the actual job for me. Inside the upper section, we have the element that says the edit mode, we have the preview, we have the code mode, and we have the domain section. When you click directly here into the section of the domain, you click into the element that says upgrade. So when you click into upgrade, it might be asking you to make an actual plan in order to continue. You have the starter plan, the professional plan, and the unlimited plan. Once you have now successfully made the actual payment, you're now ready to get started directly inside here, and you can now make the actual payment so you can see how it actually looks your new site. Now, Airo now generates a full brand kit. It doesn't just give you one logo, it gives you 3D versions, social media icons, and even favicons, which I think is going to be really options. Really great for that kind of options. So even they can help you, of course, to modify these elements here that we can use directly inside the for your own images of the website. For example, we have here the typography, here is the columnar tree, here of course is giving you now the generation of the logos, which I think is truly insane, but it's still, it actually, we're going to be focusing only for the homepage build. You can tell that the AI to make it more professional or funky and adjust the entire color palette of your brand and your future website at once. What I can suggest you, if you're just getting started, just wait till the Airo gives you the first approach, and then when you finish with the actual approach, that you can be making some changes in the future. Now, here's the actual magic, because Airo uses the business description to write all the copy and pick the actual images. If you click, for example, the element that says generate site, in this case, it's going to be generating an actual application, but still, actually, the process is actually the same. So it's not just an actual template. The text is actually specific to your niche, and in 2026, generating that kind of stuff is really fast. So here, for example, it says, I'm going to go directly back into GoDaddy, and here, for example, it says your recommendations, ask Gyro to, and you can tell here, create an actual website to make this process much faster. So instead of generating an actual application as we just did here directly inside here, let's try to make, for example, the actual website and help me with my actual element. So I send this, and into the right side, I have now like a preview of how my actual website will be sounding like. So the name, I can be copying that element. For example, this is the actual title. The more answers that you get, the more results are going to be getting better. So what's the name of your bakery here? Let's say Pet Bakery. Just wait a few seconds. I work on the actual process. I'm going to wait here directly inside the. And I think it will be taking less than 1 minute, but sometimes it might be taking a little bit more, depending on the niche that you actually chose. So building this site is only half the battle. And as you can see, it didn't take us a lot to generate that. So because Airo creates a market calendar for you, it suggests social media posts, it based into the upcoming holidays or the local events, it writes the actual captions, and designs the actual graphics. You just hit schedule, and just like that, everything will be done by itself. So if you're in the US, for example, it includes a free LLS filling services, but this is for only people who are in the United States, unfortunately. So the Airo actually does a really great work, and as you can see, it even make me my actual logo, and all of the colors, the schemes, colors are appearing directly inside my website. And as you can see, it actually, since I already told them that we are into Mexico City, it actually told us that all our elements is now available directly inside them. And there you go. As you can see, this actually really does really great work, right? So we can just choose the element that says publish, and we're actually good to go. I believe that GoDaddy does a really great work when it comes to generating an actual website directly with the Airo. And you can be telling to change, for example, the colors, change the fonts, or add more stuff, or I wanted to add my own products, I wanted to add more information about it, or even, let's say, make suggestions, which I think is going to be really awesome when it comes to generating websites like this. So this, guys, is how you can actually get started with the generation of the GoDaddy websites. So if you have any questions, you can let us know in the comments below, guys. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel if you want to see more great tools like this. Thank you so much, and hopefully we can all see you all next time.